Can you use your Rode Go to microphone with your Poco Tab? Yes, definitely you can use your Rode Go to microphone with your Poco Tab, but you need a special kind of cable which is Type C to Type C cable. So I'm talking about SC16 cable. As you can see, this is SC16 cable. You need this one if you want to record your audio with your Poco tablet. So I already have this one, as you can see. So you can use this particular Type C with your receiver like this. Now the second one, this one, you can use with your Poco tablet. So as you can see, this is Poco tablet. So now use this one like this, fine, and record your audio or record your video.
Okay guys, so now as you can see, we have the receiver and we have the cable. Just put the cable inside the receiver like this. And now the second one, you have to use this second one Type C with your Poco Tab or any kind of Android device which you want to use. As you can see, we have our Type C over there. I'm just going to insert my Type C cable inside this Type C port. Once you add this one, you have the transmitter. Just record your voice with this particular transmitter. I'm going to record my video.
Okay guys, so now as you can see, this is the transmitter. This is away from me. So now this is the sound quality. Please check it. Now I'm going to use this particular device like this. Here as you can see, I'm using this particular Rode Go to microphone with the Poco Pad.